A logarithm can be expressed as y equals log base b of x. Exponentials can be expressed as y equals b to the power of x. Exponentials and logarithms are inverses of each other. That is, logarithms are just another way to write exponentials and vice versa. For example, the logarithmic form y equals log base b of x can be rewritten in the exponential form, resulting in it being expressed as x equals b to the power of y. We can see these conversions more clearly by setting them in forms of a, b, and c. As we can see, log base b of a equals c can be rewritten in exponential form as b to the power of c equals a. It is important to know that a, b, and c can be either variables or numbers, as the conversions are the same regardless of position. Let's look at some examples. Example 1 shows us a problem statement that wants us to solve for x. At first glance, we can see that this is a polynomial, so there will be more than one solution to x. We would first want to extract the x from the problem statement so that the new statements look like x parentheses 1 minus e to the power of 3x plus 7 close parentheses equals 0. Next, we separate the equation and solve for the roots. Here we see that x equals 0 and 1 minus e to the power of 3x plus 7 equals 0. We have one root solved, now we have to solve for the other one. Here we move the 1 to the right side so that the only thing on the left side is the exponent. Then the logarithm is applied, since we know that the logarithms are inverses of exponentials, and it leaves us with 3x plus 7 equals 0, since the exponent is brought down and the natural logarithm of 1 is 0. Once the exponent is cancelled out, we move the 7 to the right and then divide by 3 in order to isolate the x. Ultimately, the solution to x is x equals negative 7 over 3 and x equals 0. Example 2 is a similar solving for x problem, but this time we see logarithmic expressions. First and foremost, we want to combine the logarithmic expression for it to look like ln x plus 1 x minus 2 equals 6. Now, because there are parentheses within the logarithm, we want to remove them via FOIL method. This results in ln open parentheses x squared minus x minus 2 close parentheses equals 6. Now, we can cancel out the logarithm by raising both sides so that we can apply the quadratic formula, which in turn leaves us with two solutions for x, that being x equals negative 20.64 and x equals 19.64.